From Brian's Blues Kitchen, hello everybody and welcome. Today we're making baked tofu. And by baking it, we are preserving its nutritional value to its highest. Tofu is a great source of protein and contains 9 essential amino acids. So when you buy it, get firm or extra firm organic tofu with no GMOs. Now, one of the reasons is because non-organic soybeans are usually treated with pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, and we want none of that stuff. So, if you're ready to cook, let's get to it. Firm tofu, and make sure that it has no GMOs. Tofu has lots of water, so we're going to discard this. So you cut it in half. Go straight down the middle. I'm going to cube it. So 3 slices on each half. Cut down the middle and then cut down the middle here. Just to make sure that you got equal size. Place it on top of a paper towel. Make sure you got several layers of paper towel on it. And then you place these more paper towels on top. With this other board, you just press. Not too hard because you don't want to squish them and break them apart. But just squeeze them enough like if you were squeezing a sponge. They are spongy. But as you can see, you see the moisture that comes up. Yeah, let me lift this up here. I can show you better. That works out beautiful. That you're pressing the water out of it. It's absorbing a lot of moisture. We don't want that moisture because it doesn't bake very well. We wanted it to be crispy. So I'm using fresh couple of sheets. I'm just going to go ahead and place them on top and just repeat this process. And when you lift this up, you can see that now has less moisture, which is great. We're going to repeat this process one more time. As you can see, it has done a great job. Take them and place them in a bowl. I don't know if you can hear the sizzle, but it's sounding great and it's looking good. If you had fun making this recipe, drop a comment down below, subscribe, hit like, that's very important to us. Also ring that bell for upcoming video notifications. And remember, health is everything. So stay active, stay safe, eat healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye now.